Introducing the Highland Breeze 1501, our newest 15-needle member of the Highland Embroidery machine line. The Breeze 1501 is the perfect combination of the robust features of commercial embroidery machines with the ease of use and compact size of smaller machines. The Breeze is designed and engineered to run all-day production or just the time you enjoy doing your favorite hobby. The 10-inch LCD color control panel is easy to learn and loaded with features. This control panel allows you to store up to 100 million stitches or 800 designs in memory and will retain the needle sequence and colors of your designs even when you turn off the machine. This can be a great time saver if you have repeat business from returning customers. Active design information is readily available, such as the actual stitching speed, stitches completed, and a real-time stitch display. The multitasking feature allows you to do things such as load the next design while the machine is actively stitching its current job. The manual or automatic offset function makes creating applique quick and easy. The frame can easily be returned to the stop position manually by simply pushing a button, or it can be set to automatically return. Additional features include the ability to scale, mirror, rotate, or add column width to your designs. Another plus is the built-in lettering with 28 preloaded fonts for quickly adding names or text. Finally, you have the ability to return to the starting point of a design and float forward or backward anywhere in the active design with ease. The One-Touch Design Trace function is a fast and easy way to ensure that you won't strike the hoop with a needle. Just push a button, and the Breeze 1501 will trace the outer edge of the design for you. If you forget to do the design trace though, with the patent-pending RPS Reciprocator Protection System, you will never have to worry about your machine being down because you struck a hoop and broke the reciprocator. Let's pretend we forgot to perform the one-touch design trace, and now we are going to deliberately strike the hoop. That would have broken the reciprocator on most machines, putting the entire machine out of commission and possibly costing you thousands of dollars in repairs. But with the RPS, we just turn off the machine, remove the plastic post that broke off, and re-hoop the garment so we don't strike the hoop again. Simply turn the machine on, clear the error, and reassign the color to another needle. Now you're back in business. The Breeze 1501 has many features that make it a clear class leader with heavy-duty motors, metal frames, and linear pantograph movement, which is more precise and is less prone to wear and tear than V-track fairing systems. The Breeze 1501 could sew at a maximum speed of 1,000 stitches per minute and has upper and lower thread break detection that will stop the machine for any breaks or running out of bobbin thread. Noise reduction technology allows for quiet operation, and automatic thread trimmers cleanly trim thread at stops and color changes. With a large 14 by 8 inch embroidery area, you can quickly and easily create beautiful designs. All things considered, the Breeze 1501 is the perfect choice for the home embroiderer, embroidery business startup, or an established embroidery business who needs additional personalization production. The included accessories, such as a table for supporting larger items like jackets and hoodies, an auto-stop bobbin winder, and an assortment of hoop sizes, provides many design options. With all the features commonly found on commercial embroidery machines, plus the advanced time and money-saving features not found on other machines, you will be amazed at the unequaled value of the Breeze 1501. MESA has been serving embroiderers for nearly 30 years by including training that teaches you everything you need to know and providing support and service by our team of award-winning professionals for the life of your machine.